So in the last class, we have discussed surface area and volumes. We started with the formulas of 2D shapes, if you remember. It is not visible clearly. Okay, Abhishek, your camera is on better. Okay, class. So I hope the 2D shapes, area, and perimeter formulas are clear to you. Today we will start with 3D shapes. The first 3D shape that we have to discuss in this chapter is anyone? The first 3D shape that we have to discuss, please tell. Yes, it is your cube. So cube is a what you say special case, but cuboid is a general case. So I think discussing a general case first would be better, and after that we will what you say see the special case. Cube is the general sorry cuboid is the general case. So first is cuboid, and its special case is cube, because you must be knowing in cuboid the length, breadth, and height are different. In this, length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to a. We take a measurement a for this cube. We will try to understand how the formulas that we use for surface area are derived, or how to understand them. So first of all, how to draw a cuboid? For that, we draw a rectangle first of the front face. You can see the eraser that you are having, the sharpener you are having, or anything like that to understand the figure cube. Sorry, cuboid. So first we are starting with cuboid. So in this is the front face, this is the back face. These dots are just showing that they are not visible from the front, they are on the back side. Solid lines are showing that they are visible, and the dots are showing that they are not visible. Just for your understanding, when we are doing questions, we will not draw these dots, we will draw solid lines only. But just to understand, we are doing this. E, F, G, H. So class, this is a cuboid containing how many vertices? Please tell. How many vertices are there in this cuboid? Please tell. There are vertices I am asking. Utkarsh, there are 8 vertices in this cuboid. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the vertices. After that, we have to see the number of edges. Please tell how many edges are there. If you have eraser with you, you can see there only. You can see in the front face there are 4 edges. In the back face there are 4 edges. Then this one CG, BF, and this AE. There are 12 edges. Tanmay, beta how 24? Try to see the eraser that you are having. You will find there are 8 in the front and back, and the remaining there are 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12 edges. And then finally we have faces. There are total how many faces, class? There are 6 faces in this. Okay. Now comes the first thing to discuss. If someone asks what you say the tape required on each of the edges. If someone says we have a cuboidal box and we want to put a tape on the edges, how much tape is required? What will you find in that case? Plus, if someone says you have to find the length of tape that must be used to what you say cover all the edges or the sides, you will find the perimeter. Good, Sanskriti. You will just add all the edges, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE, and remaining complete 12 you will add. So you will get the answer for that. Now let us start the topic of surface area. But before that comes lateral surface area. In surface area, there are two concepts: lateral surface area and total surface area. Lateral surface area means when you are considering only the side faces and you are not including the top and bottom. So you are not including top and bottom. So class, if I take AB as small l, if I take this BF as small b, that's its breadth, and this GF as h. So please tell, to understand the lateral surface area. Yes, Ayush, you are correct. First, tell me, we have seen if we have a rectangle on the base, suppose you have a sheet of a white paper on the base, you have two dimensions on it. You have L and you have B. So, how will you understand that what we are asking in 2D and 3D? Class, what will you find in this sheet so that you can find the surface area in cuboid? Please tell, will you find the area or perimeter? We can visualize a cuboid as what you say, a rim of sheets. You all have seen a rim of sheets that you purchase, A4 sheets. Class, you all must have seen that. Like this, there are hundreds of papers like this. Please try to tell me what we find on the bottommost that will be utilized in the complete rim for this surface area. Please tell. We find the, okay, yes, we find the perimeter. We find the perimeter of the bottommost sheet. If you find the perimeter of bottommost sheet, it will be how much? Class, please tell. 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of bottommost sheet. And if you put another sheet over this, you are increasing the height. So this will keep on increasing like this. So you will add that much portion. But if you add H number of sheets, if you add H number of sheets on this, it becomes the lateral surface area, which is equal to H into twice L plus B. And that gives you the formula for this, that is 2H L plus B. Class, please tell me, are you able to understand this? Because this will help you to learn the formula easily. If you are able to understand that there is a sheet kept on the bottom, a rectangular sheet A4 one, and that perimeter is L 2L plus B, and there is a stack of sheets to make a cuboid. In that, if you want to find the surface area, that is lateral surface area, you will just multiply the H and you will get the formula. Because many times remembering the formula is difficult, so this trick will help you to understand this. The same thing we will do for cylinder also. You will see in cylinder also we will take a stack of coins to understand the analogy. Now comes the normal way to understand how to find this, the lateral surface area. So we have seen the LSA is twice H L plus B. Now, if you want to find it normally, what you can do is you can see the front face. Class, see the front face, that is A, B, C, D. This is a long way to understand the formula. This is the front face. Tell me what are the dimensions on this front face. Please see the figure and tell me that in these three LBH, which two dimensions are used by the front face? Front face is using two dimensions. Please tell. One is length and second is no. Bhavya Bhatia, it is wrong. This is the front face. Utkarsh is correct. Taranjit wrong, beta. In this front rectangle, this is the rectangle. Suppose yes, Sanskriti, good. It is the what you say face on which we are having the windows. If it is a home, it is the face on which we have windows. So we have length and height. Very good. So to find area of this, what is the area of this class? Please tell. Area of front face is how much? It is L into H. Then if area of front face is L into H, what is area of back face? Are they both same? Are they both same? Yes, even better, we've done that only. Yes, they are same. So area of back face is very simple, and that is also LH. Now comes the side faces. Class, now we will discuss the side face. What is the name of side face? It is AEHD. The side face is AEHD. What are the dimensions that we are having on this class? If you see, this is the breadth and this is the height. So area of the back area of side face will be given by this B into H, and area of second side face is also B into H. So we have got this plus this plus this plus this as the lateral surface area. So LH plus LH plus BH plus BH. I am telling you the way in which you can derive the formula on your own. So what will be common in all of them? First of all, you will add these, it becomes 2LH, it becomes 2BH. Now you will see 2 is common, H is common, L plus B is left inside, and this is the formula that we have derived very easily with that analogy of A4 sheets rim. So class, you must be remembering that method is more easy. You can say if there is one sheet on the bottom, its area is L into B. So if there is a stack of height H, its surface area, that is the lateral one, will be 2H L plus B. So they are the same thing. This thing will help you to remember the formula easily. Now the second thing, that is TSA or SA. If the question is asking surface area or total surface area, that means the same thing. It is understood that surface area is total surface area. It includes what? Top and bottom. This chapter is very easy if you are able to visualize the figure in your mind. Okay. Now we have seen the four faces and we got this thing. So we can say TSA is actually LSA plus area of top and bottom. Class, can we say this thing? If we have found the lateral surface area, we just need to find the top area and the bottom area. Now the question is how? Let us see. So we already know LSA is equal to 2H L plus B. This we have found easily. Now comes the top surface and bottom surface. Let us see what is there. The bottom surface that we have in the figure is, suppose you take the top surface, okay, take the bottom also, no problem. AEFB. Let us take AEFB. So we have the bottom surface extra over here. AEFB. Class, tell me what are the dimensions of this bottom surface? Utkarsh, good. The front dimension is same. It is the length. This is the length dimension. And what is this side dimension? This is your breadth. So this extra surface is there now. What is the area of this one? The area of this surface is L into B. So class, if we have got of bottom surface, we can say top surface is also same, same area. So you can add these two and get the total surface area, or surface area is equal to twice H L plus B plus LB plus LB. This is the answer. To make it easy, because we have seen if we are able to take common, we should always take to make it easy. So it will become twice LH twice BH plus twice LB. And now you will observe only 2 is common. And to make it easy to remember, I am writing in such a way so that it is easy for you. Twice LB, BH, HL. So you will see B and B are same, H and H are same. So in this way, you will be easily remember it in your mind. This is the formula for total surface area or surface area. So class, I hope the analogy that we have discussed will help you in remembering the formula of lateral surface area. Or if any issue, you can always derive like this also. No problem in this. Okay. Now let us try the questions of 13.1 exercise 13.1. The volume part we will discuss later on. In the starting only we are discussing the surface areas as per NCERT. Okay. Now in 13.1 you will see question number 1. Okay, one more thing. If you want to make this chapter easy and less calculative, always try to write the question statement in a form of equation. If you are able to write the question in the form of equation, you can easily solve it without any problems. Let me show you how. It is saying in question 1, a plastic box. Okay, one more thing in the exam, many have not drawn the diagram. When I have said it many times that you have to draw diagram. So in this chapter also, diagram is a must to make it easy. There is a plastic box. Let me draw that. It is a rough diagram, no issue. Now we can draw simple like this only. Okay. As soon as you read the question, mark the things. A plastic box 1.5 meter long. So the length is given to you as 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter wide. So 1.25 meter wide. This is your breadth. And then they are saying 65 centimeter deep. So deep means the depth inside. You can say it is the height is equal to 65 centimeter. So first thing that came to my mind is units are different. Here meter, and here centimeter. Now let us see the two parts that we have to find. Okay, it is opened at the top, so top is not there. Okay, top not present. So you can write this thing to make it easy for you to remember. Now the first part is saying the area of sheet required for making the box. Suppose it is an activity in art period and you want to make such a box, and the teacher is asking how much paper you require to make this box. What will you find for this, class? Tell me. Will you find the TSA? You will find the TSA for this because top is not there. So please tell. What will you find? First you will find, okay, you will go for only the bottom surface. Hai na? First you will find the LSA and then you will add what? Because the four side faces are there, so you will find the LSA and then you will add into that what? Okay, that is also correct. So there are two ways to understand this. Either you will find LSA and you will add the bottom area, or you will find the TSA minus top area. So both are correct, whichever you like. Okay, it depends on you by which method you want to go. And if you see the second part, they are asking the cost if 1 meter square is rupees 20. So this thing tells me one thing, that the question is asking in meter square. So what should we do? Shall we convert length and breadth into centimeter, or shall we convert centimeter into meter? What would be better, class? Please tell. Yes, because second part is asking in meter square, so there must be a conversion of cm to m. So first thing we will say, h is equal to 65 centimeter. It can be written as 65 into 1 centimeter, and this 1 centimeter can be written as, class please tell me, 1 centimeter can be written as 1 upon 100 meters. This method I'm telling you again and again because in higher classes you will have this confusion always in your mind. Okay, so it is better to understand how we convert the units conceptually. So it will become 0.65 meters. This is the thing. So you can change here also. It becomes 0.65 meters. Now we are ready for this. So let us write the answer statement. You will say the question statement is it is asking for area of sheet. So you will write like this: area of sheet required is equal to LSA of cuboid plus bottom area. If this way you write, it will be better. Now just put the formulas. LSA of cuboid we all know is how much? 2H L plus B plus bottom area is how much? L into B. Then just put the values and you will get the answer. In this H is 0.65. So 2 into 0.65. L is 1.5 and 1.25. Okay. 1.5 plus 1.25 plus LB, that is 1.5 into 1.25. As we cannot take anything common right now, it would be better if you solve like this only. Sir, if you write 65 by 100, cancellation will be possible. Okay, that is also good. And I think, Vaishnav, I have told you, if you have 100 or something like that in the denominator, it is better not to cut them because that will be easily dividing in the last. So you can write like this, as Vaishnav is saying, 65 by 100, 15 by 10 plus 125 by 100 plus 15 by 10, and the last is 125 by 100. They are getting multiplied. Okay, now just solve it and you will get the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Please tell. After solving, you will get the answer. Let me show 13.1. When you solve this, you will get the answer as okay. Answer will come as 5.45 meter square. So answer you will get as area is equal to 5.45 meter square. Then for the next part, again the language will be simple. You will say cost of 1 meter square of something is given to you as rupees 20. So class, you will just write therefore cost of 5.45 meter square is equal to 5.45 into 20 rupees. So this statement thing is very important because mathematics is also a language. If you are not able to, what you say, make understand the invigilator or the teacher or the people around you, how you went to this step, it will be a wrong thing. Just writing the numbers is not enough. It is always important to write the statements because this only creates the complete story. Okay. Similar is the question number 2, 3. You will find no issue in these. In question number 7 and 8, you will find some problem. Class, in question number 7 and 8, you will find some problem. Just try to go conceptually. You can get the answers. If question 7 and 8 you are not getting, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. So let me stop the recording and we will discuss for some time.